What's the meaning of corn oil? Corn oil. Corn oil.
Corn oil. Corn oil. Corn oil is a type of vegetable oil extracted from corn kernels. It is commonly used in cooking and baking due to its neutral flavor and high smoke point. Corn oil is rich in polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, corn oil contains vitamin E and phytosterols, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Overall, corn oil is a healthy option for cooking and can provide numerous health benefits when included as part of a balanced diet.